Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Shokz OpenRun Pro with the Shokz OpenComm2 and what are the specs differences. So when we're going to look here on first the weight, the OpenComm got more weight comparing to the Shokz OpenRun, therefore the OpenRun is winner there. Then you're going to have driver technology, you're going to have 9th generation here for the OpenRun Pro, again better. Then you're going to have the battery life is better for the OpenComm2, so you're going to have 16 hours of talk time. Here battery life you're going to have up to 10 hours. Then the quick charge you're going to have better again for the OpenComm, but again for the OpenRun is also good. Bluetooth is the same, water resistance is the same, voice assistant integration is the same. Then you're going to have the additional features. You're going to have noise cancelling boom mic and USB-A wireless adapter. So you're gonna have more features here for communication, but still you're gonna have additional features good for the Shokz OpenRun also. Now I just wanted to make this a quick comparison for you, that I'm not like taking away too much time for you. I just want to say like important things that I found on the internet for you that can help you deciding which one is better for you. Now in my opinion, if you're gonna choose this one or this one, you're not going to make a mistake. So have a great day and goodbye.